Hey, what's up guys? We're coming live from the Apple Store to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro in under a minute. So let's get directly into things. Pull that fuel tab right there. We're gonna go ahead and drop this iPhone out. Here is the phone itself as I just spill all of the contents out of it on the ground. But there we have it guys, the iPhone 11 Pro unboxed just like that. Let's go ahead and start it up real quickly. But yeah, we're live remote today coming from University Village. So I'll go ahead and show you the case for it as well. Let's go ahead and pop that guy in. But look at that, we got the ear pods right there, no more dongle, but now we have the Lightning to USB-C fast charger directly in the box now, thanks to Apple. Let's get back to the phone right here. It is now booted up. There we go, guys. That was the quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, but until